Okay, so guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll check how to install SuperPutty software in your system. So basically my system is Windows 11, so let's check over here. So first of all, you need to visit Google and type puttygen.com. okay, once you go over here, you'll open the first link. Then this is a place where we need to go on this useful software section at the rightmost end, and on over here when you reach, you click SuperPutty. Okay, once you reach to this page, you will scroll down more. Okay, here you will see 4 options. One is zip, MSI, code and tar. So what we need to do is we need to download the second option, as we need to install the software in our machine itself. So once you click on this one, the download will begin. So let's wait for the downloads to start. Okay, so the PuTTY software is downloaded. Once this is done, click on this and it will ask you for the installation prompt. Okay, it is safe to download. Once you see this screen, you click on next. You accept the terms and agreement of the software and then you go for next. This is the default folder where it will be installed. If you want, you can change. If you don't want to change, you can keep it as it is. I'll go with the default. So once you click yes, you just need to provide administrative yes. Okay, once you click on install, it will ask you whether you need to install it or not. Just continue with yes. Okay, it's installing. So once you click on yes, it says it has completed the installation, and then you going to click launch SuperPutty and click on finish. Okay, now the prerequisite for this is you need to have PuTTY installed already in your machine. Okay, so that what this will do is this will use the same setup which PuTTY has, and it will help you to manage multiple tabs in the same session and give you a good graphical user interface. So that's why this is required. So what you need to do is you need to also have PuTTY installed. I already have it. So let's right click on it and go for properties. Now you see over here the executable file target. Okay, you need to select this, copy and put it over here. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, it says PuTTY is required to properly use this application. Let's retry. Okay, let's remove the inverted commas and click on OK. Okay, there we go. So you need to remove those inverted commas for this to work. So now if you will see this better interface than what PuTTY had. So you can have the PuTTY sessions imported over here. I don't have the sessions, but if you do this, you will have all the sessions that your PuTTY had. You can directly import it over here. As of now, I didn't have any sessions, but you can import all the sessions so that it will save your time. So this has multiple features over here. Currently we don't have a terminal, but if you see, you have multiple options to do. Most of the time we use SSH or either telnet. You need to enter the host name, login and password. Okay, once you do that, you can also log into over here and there will be multiple windows that will be displayed. Let's try one, whether we see any prompt or not. Let's see. Okay, that's the first prompt. This PC is not connected to any network, so we won't see anything. You can duplicate the session. You will see multiple sessions. You can manage everything in the same tab. You can rename it router 1. Okay, it is not connecting, no problem. Router 2 and so on. Okay, once you do that, you can have multiple sessions over here. And next important thing is you can add a session over here. See, you can give it a name. You will give the IP. SSH default setting. You can also enter the password, default password. This will save your time to every time enter the password manually. To enter the password over here, you need to type password and then you need to give a password. Let's say root 123, then only this will be accepted. So to enter the password, you need to write it in such manner. First of all, you need to give a -pw and then root 123. This is just an example. You can have your password over here, and then you click on save. Okay, so now once you can adjust it according to the hierarchy, whatever you need. If you click on router, it will directly ask for the login. It will take the password, it will give the username as well. Both it will do automatically. That's one key benefit over here. So as this network is not connected, it won't show us anything. Okay, so there are multiple other options that you can do over here. If you go to PuTTY configuration, okay, let this time out. Here you can have multiple things over here. You can lines of scroll back, you can increase the lines of scroll back so that you won't time out. Then your appearance, you can change appearance if you want. There is a color scheme over here, you can select that. And that's pretty much what we need for us to sail through this particular session. Now you have this great terminal over here which you can use to access your network devices and keep everything under the same tab. Okay guys, so that was all for this video. I hope this session was informative. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.